Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DCTH. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here, as they're called, representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that the price has been making some very nice moves. I mean, when you consider not that long ago where the price was, and then you look at where it closed today, any rational person is say, yeah, the bulls have definitely made a nice move here. But that does lead to the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area. And that area is down here at, what is that? Oh, that makes it easy, 0.065. Why is 0.065 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine strength, with true power, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 0.065. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of that channel where it just broke out from. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, not saying it will, but let's just pretend price pulls back and then acts in that manner. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this previous set of bases down here. If you picture each one of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the overall upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do. Over time, it's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, I am defining and quantifying the statement make progress as 0.065. Now, what about areas of resistance? As far as resistance, next key one is right up there at, what is that, 8 cents. You can see here by looking back into the history of the chart that on several different occasions, bulls try to break up above that level and just couldn't quite do it. So that'll be next public enemy number 1 going into tomorrow. But all in all, top priority, in my opinion, not really breaking levels of resistance. Top priority is just continuing to build higher bases, because as long as higher bases and those higher stair steps are being put into place, the long-term chart will take care of itself. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.